Hey, what's up YouTube? Today is a big day because, as you can see, our garage is finally clean enough to bring the Tesla conversion C10 Stepside pickup truck and get started on this project. The weather is starting to turn outside. We are getting ready to get into winter, and that means it's time for winter projects. You guys have probably seen this truck already, but if you haven't, I'll post a link up over here or down in the description to show you kind of the overview of what's in store for this project. And today is the first step where we pull the box off the truck and get it pulled around and into the garage where we can actually start working on it. So that's what we're gonna do today. For those of you who need a reminder, this is the truck right here, 1966 C10 Stepside truck. First step, we're gonna see if I can pop this box off back here. If I can't get it just with some basic hand tools, then we may pull it around and then take the box off in the driveway where I've got air tools and all that. But I would like to get the box off here if possible. So we're gonna see what it's gonna take to get that off. Going under the truck here, there's a lot of these bolts here that have like 50 years of rust on them. I can see at least 2. There's probably 4 on each side. So we're gonna just blast them with some WD-40 and then see if we can get them loosened off. If not, then I don't know, we might have to torch them off or grind them off or something. Hopefully they just come with a socket and some WD-40. There is only 4 per side. So there's one up there, one there, one there, and one there, and then same on the other side. But the wood's so rotten, it's not really holding these. These are carriage bolts, so they're just rotating. So we had to chew up the wood to get a bite on that with some pliers, but the bolts are so rusty. I think the best plan of attack is to just cut those off with a grinder and be done with it. So that's what we're gonna do once we get it to the garage. So the next step for us is gonna be to hook up a tow strap on that and drag it with the avalanche around to the front where the shop actually is. So we've successfully made it into the driveway. It actually drives pretty good under someone else's power. But now it's time to just start grinding these guys out so that we can get this box off. So it's just 8 bolts in total that we're gonna grind. We're just gonna set up, grind them all off, and then see how heavy this box truly is. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to save the wood. I wanted to leave the wood as original as possible, but in order to get to these guys to grind them, we had to take the wood out. But we made short work of that. They're all out. Now we're just going to make sure that we can get them to fall down. We'll cut all the wiring, and then this box should just lift right off with the help from a couple strong guys. We might end up just sliding it, and I don't know. I have no idea, actually. hopefully we can lift it back into my avalanche somehow, or maybe I'll have to get my flat deck or something to bring it back around, but we'll cross that bridge as we get to it. We're getting ready to put that right there into here, so this has to get out of the way. You should be able to go straight now. Stop. Whoa, stop. Turn hard that way. Roll me for a little bit. Keep going hard. There you go. We've got it more or less in now. We got a good idea of how much space we're gonna have. I might have to actually move this bench out of the way to get it in, but it's just gonna fit. So next we gotta get it up onto these dollies so that we can roll it around where we need it. So Parker's grabbing the jack and then we're gonna do that. The box, as you saw, was actually not too bad to get off once we ground it, but it turned out the bumper was welded on here and it was bolted to the box. So I ended up cutting the bumper off because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it anyway, and it's just going to be in our way for sure during the actual job. And there you have it. The truck is in, just barely. It's a really good thing that I chopped that bumper off the back because we don't got a lot of room to fit in this space here to get around it, but we do have it on the project casters. So when it's time to work on it, we can roll it out into this space here, do our work, and then roll it back away. Because in the winter, my wife will be plugging in her electric Mustang inside the garage in here. So we're super excited about getting this project going. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen slow. If you're watching this video and you're wondering how can I get involved, I do need some major elements of this project still. Most importantly, batteries. I have everything else figured out. I've already got the Tesla drive unit. I've already got the controller. I've already got the open source controller. I've got all of that stuff. It's just the batteries are the next big expense that I got to figure out how to pay for. The way you can help me out, subscribe to the channel, watch our videos, donate if you want to. And if you happen to have an old Tesla that you have all the cells for and you don't need them, hit me up. I will get them out here if you're willing to donate them to this project. Looking forward to see you again. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.